Hi, so welcome to my channel. I'm Diane Oliver of Woodland Elements, and I share Drew Yoga and Shakti Dance, the yoga of dance, and you can find me online at woodlandelements.co.uk. Yoga's been a part of my life since I was a teenager, and I love the benefits it brings me, supporting my body, my mind and my spirit. And I believe yoga is a way of life. It's more than just the postures, more than making shapes with our bodies. It's how we approach our life, how we take care of ourselves, others, how we breathe and how we pause in stillness. I believe yoga is for everybody. Regardless of your age, your experience, your flexibility, your shape, background or your beliefs. We all carry our life experiences in our bodies and our minds. And as someone who's played a lot in the outdoors, I've been hard on my body and myself. I carry those echoes of my past injuries, and I know that yoga brings flexibility to my body and my mind. Your safety is really important to me. I encourage you to listen to your body, honour yourself. We're all different. Our bodies are different. We move differently. We do different activities. We have different levels of fitness and live totally different lifestyles. Some of us are naturally flexible, some of us aren't. We have old injuries, different health conditions, and we are all wonderfully unique. Yoga is here to support us. When we practice our yoga, it's important to take all our wonderful, unique and individual differences into account. All our postures and movements will be slightly different. For example, my tree posture will look different from your tree posture. So when practicing any of the yoga that I share, please remember that you know your body better than anyone. You are responsible for looking after yourself. And if you're in any doubt at all, please consult your health practitioner prior to practicing yoga. I encourage you to listen to your body. Practice what is right for you. Practice what's right for you in this moment today, and that can be different from yesterday. And please practice your yoga within your body's comfort. And so to share some general tips to help keep us all safe. Remember to keep your joints slightly soft. Locking our joints out creates tension and blocks the energy flow. Lightly engage your core stability muscles, drawing your pelvic floor up and your lower abdominals in just 10%. Use a non-slip surface, preferably with bare feet if it's not too cold, to prevent slipping and potential injury. Now that's not to say that I don't completely encourage you to get your wellies on and go and practice your yoga outside as well, in bare feet if it's warm enough as well. Just make sure that you're safe when you practice and you're not in somewhere where you can slip, trip or fall. Work with your breath to flow or relax through the movements, helping release tension. And perhaps flow through postures rather than holding them. Pause, work with a counter posture and begin again if you wish. And here are some ways to personalise your practice, modifying postures to suit your needs. I invite you to explore modifications. They can often surprise us, allowing us to focus on the energy of the posture rather than how it looks. Try different props to support your body. You can use blocks, chairs, bolsters, cushions, rolled up blankets, yoga belts, old scarves, pillows. Be creative. You don't need to spend a lot of money on fancy gear. And for example, use blocks to help you reach the floor. Sit on a chair if standing is uncomfortable or tires you out. Place a rolled up blanket under your knees if you're sitting. It's really important to look after your body. If something's not right or painful for you, please scale that movement back. Remember, you can always visualise a posture or a movement. Your brain will still release the same chemicals, and you can focus more on the energy of the posture rather than the physical movement. If you feel in pain when you're working with your yoga practice, your body's indicating to you that you've reached the edge of its comfort zone. Please scale the posture back, modify or visualise the movement as I mentioned. And finally, just to cover some of the general health considerations. For high or low blood pressure or circulatory conditions, perhaps keep your head higher than your heart, or only hold your hands above your head for short periods of time. If you're on your menstrual cycle, take it easy. Avoid strong triangles or inversions. They fight the natural downward releasing apana, releasing energy of your body at this time. For those with PTSD or other mental health considerations, please do what feels right for you. Perhaps keep your meditations, breathwork and relaxation short and to a stage that feels right for you. If at any time during your practice you feel unwell, dizzy or severe pain, please stop your practice, rest and if necessary seek medical assistance. Please above all enjoy your practice. Sometimes it flows and feels comfortable, other times it might not. And if I'm teaching something that you know isn't great for you, please do a different posture that is better for you. Learn to listen to your body. And above all, remember that this is your body, your yoga practice, and to do what is right for you. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to sharing yoga with you.